there, boys and girls. I will be talking about a letter today, / a vowel. But first, we are going to make the sound and you guess which letter I'm going to talk about. Ah, 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 ah. Let's do the ah dance. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Let's go. It's a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's go. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Which letter makes that sound? Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Let's go. Ah, ah, ah. All right. Which letter makes that sound? Who said the letter A? Ooh. And what sound does the A make? The A says ah. The A says ah. The A says ah, 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 ah. The A says ah. The A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The A says ah, 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 ah. Ooh. All right. Now we're talking about the letter A. But A is also a vowel. The vowels of the alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E. A, E, I, O, U. The vowels of the alphabet. So we are talking about the vowel A. And the A says ah. So we're talking about the short vowel A that says ah. Now we're going to use some rhyming words, and rhyming words have the same ending sound. But we're going to use the at sound to do our work today. So, once upon a time, the vowel A saw T. A and T were best friends once, but then A got angry. And A said, "Oh, I am not talking to you, T. I am angry at you." But then came Mrs. Robinson. "A and T, what's wrong? You have to talk to each other." A said, "Ah, ah, ah." T said, "Tss, tss, tss." Oh, I said, this is not going to work. So I said, you have to take your time and travel all the way and give A hug. So T went over to A and they became friends. So he was no longer over here, but he was right beside A. Now if the A says ah and the T says t, we're going to put them together and make a sound. Let's go. Ah, t. What's the sound? Let's go again. A says ah, T says t. Push them together and you get ah, t. Let's go. The A says ah, T says t. Put them together and you get at. See, at. Say at. At. Yeah. Now we're going to talk about the at word family. Yes. Now here we have at. Now we're going to put some consonant there. So all the different letters that are not vowels, we're going to put them there. So we would not put A there because A is a vowel. What about B? Yes. Let's try B and see what we get. Use a different color marker. Alright, so B is there. So we know that this is at. At. AT says at. So all we have to do now is to find out what sound does the B make. What sound does letter B make? Nice. Hear that? Fold your lips. Let's go. At. Faster. At. Bat. Yes! This is the word bat. So I can draw a bat right there. Very good. Now we're on to one more. AT says what? At. The at family. Now I'm going to put C there. What sound does the C make? Very good. Oh, the C says and we know that AT says at. So we already know this sound. So all we have to do is to say this sound and put it with the at sound. Let's go. At. Faster. At. Jamaicans say cat, but it's cat. So I am going to draw a cat right beside it. Very good. One more at sound. I'm going to put M there. The M says mmm. So at. Go faster. At. Mat. Yes, somebody said it. So we draw a mat right there. All right, very good. So we have mat. Now one more. We're going to put H there. So we know this is at already. A-T says at. Now what sound does the H make? Deep breath in. Very good. Let us do that now. Let's go. Very good. And we wear it on our head. So it's a hat. Oh yes. Let us call the words. Let us sound them up first. Bat, bat, at, cat, at, mat, hat. Give yourself. So we are talking about the at family, and we learn of the story when you put A and T together, they make an at sound. And all these words rhyme. Why do you think they rhyme? Yes, they all end with the at sound. Words rhyme because they have the same ending sound. That's why they are called a family. Bat and cat are rhyming words, rhyming words, rhyming words. Mat and hat are rhyming words. They have the same ending sound. They have the same ending sound. The at sound, the at sound, the at. Word family sound. At. So when you call these words, you hear an at sound. Look, listen. Bat, cat, mat, hat. So there's an at sound at the end. So that's why they are called a family, because they all rhyme. Rhyming words have the same ending sound. And we're talking about the at family. Give yourself a big clap, boys and girls. Get ready to work.